This is pretty cool.
Oh, mine too.
Yeah, now do you want to sit with me?
Oh, yeah, Zoe. Hang on. Here, Zoe. Here. Carefully, you give that to Daddy, okay?
Daddy, no! Let me just...
Oh, did you make that? Thank you, Queenie. Oh,
Well, it's for you two to make together.
Oh, so it's got paint in there.
Yeah, in eyes.
You got paint in your eyes.
Not yet.
You want me to put the paint in my eyes? That doesn't seem like a solid plan. There is chocolates in there, isn't there?
Yeah.
So are we going to paint this together?
There's a froggy one and two.
Two.
Yes. This one and that.
Looks like you've already been painting. Look at you.
I haven't been painting.
That didn't take you long to get out, did it? Alright. Shall we do some painting together later?
Yes.
Are we going to paint on the mug?
Now.
Right now. Alright, shall we see what's in the box?
Gonna go sit up next to Daddy, Zoe?
Ready? Yeah, you can.
Yes.
There is something on it. It says Happy Father's Day. Love, Alfie and Zoe. Shall we show the camera? Ready? Whoa. How cool is that?
Nice.
Look in the book.
Now go. Another. There's a card. It says Daddy.
Yeah.
And there's, oh, what have we here? Oh, there's some scratchies. Because Mummy's hoping we're going to be millionaires.
Won 933 on the Powerball last night.
Yeah. Oh.
Wait, Zoe.
Daddy's going to get fat today because the challenge starts tomorrow.
Oh.
Alright.
Okay. Good girl.
Zoe's just making a messy mess.
Yeah, you can if you want to eat them today, but if not, you can save them. Yeah, obviously don't need to eat them.
Oh. There are handprints. Whose bum can I smell?
Zoe's.
Goodness me.
These stinky ponky girls. What's on there?
I don't know if you captured the sound of that. Yeah,
A face.
To do it. Me and Mummy have been talking about doing this for a long time. Hey. That.
Yeah.
Yeah, kind of, but that's going to be an Alfie hand and a Zoe hand. Hey.
I tried to make it into a love heart, but Zoe's fingers just didn't want to stick together. But then I was like, oh, it's cute, just both of their handprints there anyway.
I might take that to work actually.
Yeah, I was going to say. It would be one.
Oh, it's gonna stand.
Yeah. That's why I made it so you could have it at work, because there's nowhere here.
There is not. Alright. Alright, have you got all my boxes out for me? What's on there though?
And these.
These ones. This will be your favourite.
Fishing!
Not quite a fish, it's bigger than a fish.
Shark!
That's right, it's like a shark.
Like a shirt.
I am mine.
And what's on these ones? What's on that one?
Finger snakes.
What's that?
Finger rainbow snakes. Big red.
What is it?
What did you say?
What is it, Zoe?
Beaver.
Oh, a Bebo. That's beautiful, isn't it? What have you got? What's that? Do you know? What? Chocolate? Chocolate?
Oh, it's just. Oh! Have the best Father's Day, Alfie and Zoe. I'm guessing that was Zoe.
Yeah. That says mine and I joined.
You did actually, I just realised that. Yeah. You've gone all calligraphy.
Don't open that, Chicky.
Chocolate for breakfast. You wish, jellyfish. Is that your favourite bit?
What are we going to do today? Where are we going?
To the beach.
What is your bum doing in the air? Where are we going?
To the beach.
What beach?
Makula.
Makula. You excited?
Yeah.
Really? Oh, okay. What do you want to say? Who are you watching? Eeyore. Aww. So it is Father's Day today and we are heading to Makula in a minute. So we thought we'd head to Makula. The weather is looking pretty good. It's 21 degrees. So hopefully it's a bit warmer. It's only 8:30, so hopefully it should warm up a bit. But we had our stop off at Macca's, our last Macca's stop. We have our challenge starting tomorrow, so we just went through and organised our meals. It's my one and Lee's.
So Lee's gonna look at the end of the challenge.
That's how Mummy's gonna look. Yeah, so I don't think we put much on, well, I don't think we put anything on YouTube about the challenge last time, but yeah, we did the TNT transformation challenge last time and Lee and I won the couples partner up division, so winners. But yeah, we're super excited for this challenge to start as well, just to get us back into it. Well, me.
I can't. No,
Lee's, yeah, you've been pretty good. I've been a bit slack, but yeah, on the last week, Nanny and Granddad and Uncle Joe will be over, so that will be good. It's like a nice countdown for like the end of the challenge, and once we know we've got a week left, they'll be here. So that's exciting. Who's excited to see Nanny and Granddad and Uncle Joe soon?
Me.
You say? Yeah? But anyway, we're going to have a fun day at the beach.
A few more weeks, Moose.
Yeah. A few more weeks, hey. We're going to have a fun day at the beach and enjoy what we get up to. Your change ready for the beach? Hello.
Hello.
Hello. What are you doing?
On the swing.
On the swing.
I'm gonna kick you guys.
Hey.
Okay. Hello, feet.
Gotcha. Gotcha.
I
Do you want to have a turn on the other one, Alfie?
Yeah.
Let Zoe have a turn.
I can do this. Ready, set, go. Oh, wow.
It's alright, it's sitting there. Okay, we'll be very careful in the sands.
Swing that. Oh, no. Hello. Hello. Is anyone there? Hey, you bird. You.
Go. You're right. Don't. Go.
My phone's standing.
Woo. Should we go to the beach? Yeah, let's go. Go. You're running? Go.
Go.
You good, Zoe? This is living, Barry. Oh, you're right. You two snakes. Sand snakes. What are you? Alright, we're gonna pack up and go? Yeah. Did you have fun? Oh, what are you doing? Did you have fun? Yeah, you can take the pegs out. Good job. Packing up. So we're all finished at the beach. We're on our way to Australia Zoo. Alfie's asleep.
Somehow.
And Zoe is not.
Wrong child sleeping.
Oh, was that a yawn? We are 5 minutes away. And we were hoping that Zoe was going to sleep, but wrong child is sleeping. Yeah, you going to sleep? Okay, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Sleep. But we thought we'd spend a bit of time at the zoo. They have little quokkas there now, so we're going to go see them, which will be cute.
I've never seen quokkas in real life.
No, neither.
Excited to.
Yeah, I'm excited to see them.
See all the selfies people take in WA.
Yeah, it's so cute. I don't think you can get close to them.
No, probably not.
Not like the kangaroos, but it's alright, we'll still go and see them. And of course, spend some time at our favourite place. We're here. A little bit of baby milk and she's out. And Alfie's still asleep. Daddy is not.
I'm supposed to be.
Could go for a nap right now.
Yep.
So we finished at the zoo yesterday and we had such a lovely time, and then we had to rush home, get groceries and put the kids in bed. But that was it, really. We had a great day, and yeah, hopefully, I know I say this every time, but hopefully we're going to be a bit more regular with filming, because I know we love watching it back, and I know we have family all over the world that would like to see it. So if you did like this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll see you next week.